Good evening, Aotearoa, and welcome to Parliament House. We are having a fantastic time here. As you can see, everyone is camping out. They are settling in. They have found themselves the best freedom camping site in New Zealand. No vax passes, no discrimination, and no campsite fees. It's a bargain. And what we're thinking is, hey, why don't we have a festival? Because I don't know about you, but perhaps you did your 2 shots for summer and your festival still got cancelled. Maybe you haven't had that good social time you need, the release. And good news is, the New Zealand government have courteously offered up their space for us to come and celebrate together. So if you want to come on down with us, please grab a tent, grab your mates, grab your family, grab your speakers, and let's have a party. Let's celebrate freedom. Let's celebrate life in Aotearoa, and let's have some unity in our community. Peace.